Look at my new dog. Look, what do we have here? So I recently tried to shoot a video about this lamp and I stopped at the beginning, and now I have a lamp. Still work in project, but yeah, we are close to finish it. Just take a look at this little body here. Okay, anyway, look at this beauty. I tried to match the color of the cord with the lamp, but it turned out well because it's a little bit different from what I intended it should be. Okay, this one turned out to be a little bit stiffer than I thought. Okay, but this one, just take a look at this one. Looks absolutely stunning and absolutely amazing. I had to fill the center area by myself by hand, but actually I think it's turned out a little bit too freaky, so in the next version I'm gonna rebuild it a bit. But anyway, take a look at this one. What is interesting about it? It has a pattern of gears, right? Like a mechanical gears. One tooth, another tooth, so it's tons of tooths of gear, like with real evolvent, or how do you call it? Nice little pattern. Aside from this original design of a lamp, I use the same tooth pattern, but here you can see the light can go through the lamp more easily because it has thinner walls. But this one, it has additional structure with these cuts. Wait a moment, these cuts right here, and it's kinda add a thickness or a volume to the lamp, so the light distributes through it a little bit more evenly, and it's not that easy for light to come through the walls. So I tried to kinda add another layer of light diffusion here. And also, what else interesting in this design, so I added an inner tag of my brand on the inside wall and distributed through the height of the lamp for all three walls. And it also kinda, I do believe, helps to how do I call it? It's kinda stops the light to come super fast through the walls. It's kinda attach it. Anyway, it's just my theory, but let's take a look at what else do we have. I do have tons of prototypes, and let me show this one recently I made. With this one, actually, by the way, those are the legs of the lamp, so I use some sort of brass screws. I do love the color of them, and actually the shape of the head. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find tons of them, but I decided to use them. So in this version I moved the screws far away from center. I don't know why I didn't do that initially on a first try, but you can see here, so it's a little bit closer to the center, and on this one it's moved away as far as it can be. Yeah, and what I like about it, the color combination for this test print. Of course, I'm not gonna use those colors in a real life design, but just take a look at how beautiful are they. Gold and light blue. Yep. And I do have bunch of test prints like this. Can I shoot myself? So this is me, a designer, and this is a prototype. Looks awesome, I guess, because why fucking not? Yeah, I think we're gonna shoot some videos in the next few days. Yeah. What else can I show you? Look at these little flowers I do have in here. Aren't they beautiful? This one I got from my friend's mom. Still work in progress, no roots yet. This one I have for a long time, and I cut them from time to time just to shorten the length of the plant, and it starts growing a new roots and new stems and new leaves, right? Whoa! Who's here? Who's here trying to talk to the camera? Little Kesha. Looks so innocent, but do not believe to these eyes. He just cut me. Not cut me, he bite me in this area, and I'm bleeding. Still bleeding. Okay. Seems like I can play Fortnite right now. Let's answer. Net, no могу play Fortnite. I get banned recently in Fortnite or Overwatch because of my child behavior. It's definitely not it wasn't fair, I guess, but it is what it is. Thank you for filming, Ivan. Okay, bye.